Welcome back to Invest Avenue. Want to learn from the legendary investor Warren Buffett? Stay with us because today we're uncovering his timeless investment wisdom that can transform your financial future. 1. Invest in what you know. Buffett always emphasizes understanding the businesses you invest in. Stick to industries and companies you comprehend deeply. 2. Focus on value. Look for undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals. Buffett's strategy revolves around buying quality companies at a fair price. 3. Long-term perspective. Buffett advocates for long-term investing. Avoid short-term market noise and focus on the company's long-term potential. 4. Reinvest earnings. Instead of spending dividends, reinvest them to compound your returns over time. This accelerates the growth of your investments. 5. Diversify wisely. While Buffett believes in a concentrated portfolio, he advises diversifying to mitigate risks. Balance between various sectors and asset classes. 6. Patience is key. Be patient and wait for the right opportunities. Buffett's success often comes from waiting for the perfect moment to buy. 7. Avoid debt. High levels of debt can be detrimental. Buffett prefers companies with manageable debt levels and strong cash flow. 8. Stay rational. Emotions can lead to poor decisions. Maintain a rational approach, especially during market volatility. 9. Learn continuously. Buffett is an avid reader. Continually educate yourself about investing, markets, and the economy to make informed decisions. 10. Keep it simple. Buffett's strategy is straightforward. Stick to simple, proven investment principles rather than complex strategies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Invest Avenue for more valuable investing insights. See you next time.